Verify that the product and all accessories are intact and complete according to the packing list. Read the quick installation guide and user manual carefully to familiarize yourself with the installation procedures and product usage. Required tools: adjustable wrench, pliers, electric drill with 1/4 and 1-inch drill bits, screwdriver, utility knife, etc. Ensure adequate space is available for installation. Turn off the cold water valve and open the kitchen faucet to release any residual water. Disconnect the cold water supply pipe. Install the feed water adapter onto the cold water angle valve and tighten it with a wrench. Reconnect the cold water pipe to the adapter and tighten securely. Note: if your household uses a 1/2 water supply valve, follow these steps. 1. Remove the pre-installed adapters from both ends of the feed water adapter. 2. Connect the adapter directly to the cold water angle valve and secure with a wrench. 3. Reinstall the cold water pipe onto the adapter and tighten. Preferably install the purified water faucet in the sink soap dispenser hole. If no soap dispenser hole is available, select an appropriate position on the sink or countertop to drill. Apply the supplied positioning sticker to the selected drilling location. Use a 1-inch drill bit to drill the hole. Pass the white purified water tubing and the signal wire through the hole. Insert the white pure water tube into the quick connector of the faucet bottom until it reaches the marked line. Secure the faucet by tightening the fixing nut. Drill a 1/4 hole in a suitable location on the drain pipe. Attach the waterproof foam pad to the inside of the drain saddle clamp. Install the drain saddle clamp on the drain pipe with holes alignment. Tighten the clamp area by screwing the top and bottom area of the clamp. Insert the drain pipe into the drilled hole. Insert the red locking clip to tighten the tube to drain pipe area. If installing a drain saddle clamp is not feasible, insert the gray wastewater tube directly into the drainage pipe and secure it using 2 nylon cable ties. Align the arrow indicators on both ends of the signal wire and tighten the nut to secure the connection. Following the prompts on the unit, insert each water tube into its corresponding port up to the marked line. Then install the locking clips. Organize the tubing neatly and secure them using nylon cable ties. Turn on the cold water valve and the feed water adapter. Connect the power plug to the power socket. Open the purified water faucet and allow the system to flush for at least 20 minutes. Inspect all connections for leaks, including drain pipe, cold water valve, main unit, faucet, and all inlet and outlet ports. Turn off the cold water supply valve. Open the purified water faucet to release internal pressure and drain residual water approximately 10 seconds. Unplug the machine. Rotate the used filter cartridge counterclockwise and remove it. Insert the new filter cartridge and rotate it clockwise until secured. After replacing the cartridge, press the select button to choose the corresponding filter type. Then press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. When you hear the ding sound, the reset is complete. Restore the water supply and power. Open the purified water faucet and flush the system for at least 20 minutes.